That is how you use Lucky Patcher to get free stuff, free gems, free gold, the freedom. Hello buddy, it's me, GameJacker, and today I'm going to show you how to use Lucky Patcher to get free in-app purchases in your Android games. Yes, we're going to use this boy to get free stuff in our favorite games. Now, to download Lucky Patcher, there's a link in the description down below. As always, for those of you who aren't subscribed yet, consider subscribing for more game jacking content. Like the video and comment for the algorithms, or if you have any questions. So, without further ado, how to get free in-app purchases using Lucky Patcher. We're gonna try to get free in-app purchases in Sandballs. It's one of those, buy gems to buy money type games, pay to win basically. So, and we're gonna of course use Lucky Patcher. All of you know already. The link is gonna be down in the description for the latest version. Make sure to download it there because there's many fakes out there. So, you open up Lucky Patcher and you essentially just look for your game, Sandballs. And you're going to go to menu of patches. The patch that you're looking for is patch for in-app level emulation, but I'm going for multi-patch because I want to do everything at once. So we're gonna remove ads, we're gonna support level emulation. This again is the one that you want to enable to get free in-app purchases. It emulates the purchases through the Play Store. It's basically a proxy server that just intercepts the purchase to the Play Store and just sends its own response, which works in many games. So we're gonna go for auto mode. You can also do a backup APK file if you want to. I'm just doing like this. I'm gonna make the game fully offline. Don't do that in online games, please. Next step. Here it's extremely important to enable support patch for level in-app emulation. This will emulate in-app purchases, and then one of these two. If one doesn't work, try the other. You can always redo this. You can uninstall the patches and then try the other one. I'm going for the proxy server. Next step. Still waiting. Sorry. Patching. Lucky patching. Alright, we get a little bit of a summary of what happened. Some in-app level emulation stuff has been successfully completed. Well, we're just gonna try it right now instead of analyzing all this. Just open up the app shop and let's just try to purchase something. Do you want to try and get this item for free? Yes. And it works, absolutely. So, thank God, it worked on the first try. That is how you use Lucky Patcher to get free stuff, free gems, and through the gems, free gold. To feel the freedom. Nice. This never gets old. Anyways, guys, that's how you use Lucky Patcher to get free in-app purchases in many games. Not all games, again, I'm gonna tell you guys. When it comes to offline games, this will work in many cases, not all, because some games will still actually require online games to validate their purchases. However, they're not true offline games. Now, for online games, you can use HackerBot.net instead. Simply Google HackerBot or game hacks, go to HackerBot.net, go to Hack Finder and find legitimate cheats for even online games. This will show you modded APKs and other cheats, bots for example, that can be extremely useful in online games, aimbots, wall hacks, all kinds of stuff that you can't really do using Lucky Patcher. At HackerBot, you can also download HackerBot APK, which will make it easier to find legitimate cheats on your Android device directly. Skip all the scams and generators and spam that you'll find on Google. Download HackerBot APK today and start game jacking. All the links are going to be down in the description below. While you're there, leave a like, comment for the algorithm, or if you have any questions whatsoever. And for more game jacking content, fresh, juicy, steamy, smelly, subscribe to the channel. GameJacker out.